Using a travel advisor, takes you beyond just booking. It takes you into an elevated experience, somebody that truly cares about how you're spending your time, not just where you're spending your money.
So I think it's important that people use a travel advisor because they may not get access to all the same stuff we do. We have really good relationships with suppliers.
We are experts in our field. We know the ins and outs of transfers and your hotel room categories and just the little details that you're not going to think about.
I think for groups to use a travel advisor is essential because you've got to have someone that's handling the logistics and looking at the whole big picture. And that's the main thing I tell teachers because the teacher is my primary client. My number one goal really is to take time off of their plates because they need to focus on teaching. They need to focus on their students.
We communicate with the brands. We go on our experiences so that we have an intimate knowledge that you just can't get if you're booking a trip for the first time.
I can speak from personal experience about what's good and what's bad, because let's be honest, there's no perfect destination, and not every destination works for every family.
When I talk to my clients, I want to know, what do you value? What are your non-negotiables? How do you want to feel when you're on this vacation?
It's important to use a travel advisor, especially if you have accessibility needs, because there's so much out there and it's hard to navigate what is available to you. And it could be something as simple as an allergy. How do I get access to the foods and make sure that I am going to have foods that are safe for me? Or it could be something with sensory needs. And is there a sensory kit available where I'm going? Travel advisors can help that.
As South Asians, we give a lot of prominence to weddings. It is a very important part of our culture where we bring together our families and friends. I have traveled and I have visited every resort that I book, and I know what is good and where our people are attended to with the utmost details and precisions.
So if you are a corporation and you are not using a travel advisor, you are not having the level of support that you should have behind the scenes. We support you literally from door to door. Whether you're planning just a meeting and you're needing meeting space, or you're hosting a conference of like 1,000 like I did last week, you are paying for the support of a travel advisor whether you use one or not.
I think it's important to use a travel advisor because it makes your vacation stress-free. Then you can just focus on memories with your family and not have to worry about all of the small little details that a travel advisor would do for you.